Friends, another big problem in the society today is violence. Not just violence against women, but violence in various forms. Women were being targeted, they were being raped, murdered, but now even the male are being killed in the name of either the land or in the name of some material requirement or some ego problem or law and order or election issues. Society today seems to have become a violent society. If we look at the initial issue, which was the crime against women or violence against women, the major reasons were that India, which actually has the genetic drive for freedom, Bharat was free, girls and boys used to live freely, some wars used to happen. Even today, if we go to the northeast, place like Arunachal Pradesh and many other places, girls and boys are totally free, meet freely, live freely, and decide their own future on that. In the North India, in the Middle India, probably the situation has become bad, but the reasons are impact of various invasions from across the borders over the centuries, when women were used as property and invaders used to take away the females for their own benefit, forced the societies to adopt will and keeping within the boundaries of the homes. But today, the problem is different. Today, after the British, at least the British were more free. Unfortunately, they were free only for themselves, but for Indian citizens, they were as bad as anybody else could have been. But still, they were relatively better than the Mughals. But worst is something else. The educational system, the cultural background, which could be built based on enlightened education, got badly distorted, first by the invading Mughals and then by the invading Britishers. Therefore, on all counts, India has gone down culturally because the thread of freedom, the passion for freedom, the love of values, freedom, and respect for humanity has been badly affected by the education. Today, the educational institutions, universities particularly, have become the place of violence, place of negative teachings, place of constricted ideologies which are affecting the society badly and affecting the citizens badly. Therefore, the need now is to relook at our educational system, which has got badly affected by the invaders and has lost its original Bharatiyata, the love for values, the love for freedom, the respect for human beings, respect for freedom, respect for each other. Vasundarai Kutumbam. Others don't believe in it, but we still probably believe. The Indians by and large are far more open and respectful to the dignity of mankind than most other countries are. Need is to find out how this culture was developed to find out what were the values and how those values were developed, redesign education to create a value-based free society in which wars, violence, drive for snatching, taking away, land grabbing, killing can go down, can be reduced and stopped. Therefore, the need today is for reviving the educational system all over again, relook at our Indian system which was in Gurukuls, which was taught in old Bharat, and bring back ancient educational system. Effort was made in Takshila to revive those cultures, but unfortunately it also fell to the so-called communist thinking or what is called left thinking, but to my mind it is the distorted thinking which does not have the roots in the Indian values, and hence Takshila experiment also failed so far. Maybe in future it will revive, but we are hopeful that India and Indians particularly who respect freedom, who respect values, who respect mankind, who respect humanity, respect for male, female, all as individuals will grow and India will become an enlightened society. For this, everyone should make an effort not to fall prey to the religious fundamentalists, not to fall prey to the Western or Mughal type of thinking which forced women to live in isolation, but bring back the Indian values where women used to be the priests, women used to teach, women were the gurus, and they were part of the society and equal partners in the development of the society and mankind. Please understand, unless we remove this violence from the society, Indian society cannot grow. Indian society needs to rediscover its roots, which were in education, and develop enlightened educational system which were based on meditation, respect for humanity, respect for everyone, and not affected by the fundamentalists or so-called left thinking or right thinking. If we can develop a new educational system with enlightened values where freedom is respected, mankind is respected, life is respected, every human's right for living is respected, we will have a better society. God bless the world. May God help India to become the leader, at least in establishing the rule of values, the laws of enlightened education and enlightened system. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.